For things you should avoid if you want your Facebook page to be monetized. 1. Avoid putting music on your video content. Except you created the song yourself, because most public music has copyright on it. Even if the song appears free today, the song owner might choose to copyright it later on, and everyone who used the sound would be affected. So to be on the safe side, just avoid music or create your own. Cause if you're flagged for limited originality of content by Facebook, they won't monetize your page. 2. Doing giveaways. Facebook doesn't like it done on the page itself, cause they feel you're forcing people to follow you, and it's not cause they like your content. You can do the giveaway outside your page, but direct them to your page. 3. Uploading people's content on your page. Facebook only likes original contents created by you, and that your content must first be uploaded on your page before circulating around Facebook, even your Facebook account. 4. Using picture to do video. Doing picture collage in form of video is something Facebook doesn't like it. They like moving content. That's a proper video content. If you keep facing rejection after you have properly applied for monetization, just go and delete pictures you made in video form. Like and follow for more tutorials.